Hello there and welcome back to Steam It with Steve. Today we're going to go through the next part of our computer science journey in Code Combat. So if we go back, we've done the 5, we've now moved up here to 5B, the raising of the sword. Or sorry, the raising the sword. So here we go.
Code Combat.
In this one we're going to defeat ogres again, and I suspect we'll have to use the attack command. Yep, awesome. So instead of 2 people, now we've got 3 of them that are going to be coming for us. So what we need to do is probably get straight into it. So the first one, if I look here, we've got Rig, Gert, and then Ack. So if we go here, we'll go hero.attack, open the brackets, quotation, and we'll go Rig inside of the brackets. Now with these guys, usually they've got to be attacked twice. So we'll copy paste that. And then because I'm lazy, I'm going to copy and paste that again. And this time put Gert. And then I'll copy paste that. And then down here, we'll paste, instead of Gert, we're going to put Ack. And then we'll copy and paste that into our code. So now, what should happen is they're going to walk across, attack Rig twice, then Gert twice, and then Ack twice. So let's run this and see what happens. Yeah. Awesome. Looks like we did all right. Fantastic. So that's level 5 all done and dusted with all the 3 practice examples. Okay. And this also is now unlocked an extra challenge for us to use, which we can do next. So down the bottom here, we actually have 2 separate challenges that we're going to have a go at next. So hopefully you've learned something from that. Thanks for coming along. See you next time on Steam It with Steve.